Well, welcome you back to the farm. In case you didn't know it, this video is going to be on fire. We started burning our big brush pile actually almost an hour ago, and it's almost done. I figured this would be like a good 2-3 day burn, but it might yet. But the big part's already gone. I wish I had a video of it. Well, the flames were really high, and but it's kind of down where I got some stumps and stuff I pulled up over there. So it's burning really good. I ain't had any problems yet. So ain't burnt down the barn or the neighbor's house or nothing like that yet. So we're doing good.
Yeah, I tried to get them. They's all snuggled up. Sorry, I think I'm gonna feed them. I was trying to get you snuggled up. Y'all look cute.
Okay, it's been about 2 hours. It's 2 o'clock right now. We've been cleaning up around the barn, and we got a lot cleaned up. Found some stuff we're gonna sell, put on Facebook. But it's just smoldering right now, so the big part's over with. It's still burning. It'll probably burn for 2 or 3 days like this, I think. So we're gonna take us a little Coke break, and we'll come back and we'll try to do something else. Okay, it's the next day, and the fire's still going, by the way. I cleaned up around the barn this morning. We've had a pretty busy day, but I've come down here now. I'm gonna start cutting down these trees, and we're changing our farm a whole lot. I've talked about it before, but where I'm standing at, it's going to be sweet corn, and I really need these 3 trees right here cut down really bad. That one and these 2 here, and then I've got a clump right here that I want to get done right here. This clump here I want to cut down. So but I'm going to start with these 3, and I think they're sweet gum. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm going to cut them down, cut them up into firewood length, and then we're going to haul them up there. We're going to bust them and put them in a cage. One of those tote cages for next year. And this will be next year's firewood, so I'm not going to waste this. So I've got a bunch of stuff. I'm going to clean this up. So, you know, the first thing I talked about, I want to clean it up because of the corn. I also want to plant some sugar maples down through here, a little ways anyway. So I'm gonna get the chainsaw fired up. I got it oiled and gassed up, and we'll see what we can do. Let's see if we can get something cut down. Yeah, I got my first breakdown. Let's see if I can fix it. So I went to fix that first chainsaw I was using, that steel, and I didn't put the nut back on. I didn't put it on and it fell off when I started it right here. I'm gonna look around for a few minutes. So I had to get my big one out. That big one's a monster. So I'm gonna go get my I gotta go do my chores first. Let's see what time it is. Yeah. Do my chores. I'm gonna get the John Deere, come there and clamp some of this brush around so I don't trip. Then we'll finish sawing this up for firewood.